Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avinash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, what a crazy move we got to see after FOMC. And right before FOMC also there was some crazy move, but yes, after FOMC market showed dollar index showed extreme bullishness, as a result of which we got to see immense selling pressure on the charts of gold, Euro USD, GBP USD and others. Right now you can see that after making a high of 105.65, dollar index is standing at 105.56. Though you can see a red candle right now, keep in mind fundamentals are pushing dollar to the upside, so this is just a retracement. Retracement and trend reversals are different things. So my dear friends, dollar is bullish right now. As a result, there will be pressure on Euro USD and GBP USD. So you need to plan your trades accordingly. Though we have the next resistance around 105.90, 106 level on the chart of DXY, but if the same market sentiment remains, obviously the resistance will not be able to reverse the market. After all, fundamentals always dominate. Fundamentals provide direction to the market. You can see dollar index hits 27-week high, stocks retreat, US yields advance, dollar strengthens on hawkish Fed here, and the overall tone of the Fed's latest meeting was not overly hawkish, but there were two surprises. Forecasts for 2024 were slightly higher than generally expected, and Fed statements implied the view that macroeconomic growth would hold up even if with rates staying higher for longer. The US Central Bank held interest rates on Wednesday and projected an increase by year end, saying monetary policy is likely to be significantly tighter through 2024 than previously thought. Dollar jumps on Fed's hawkish hold. So the market sentiment is bullish for US dollar right now. And if you go to economic calendar, you can see that today also news coming up, jobless claims data for US dollar. So market will be volatile again. Traders with low capital, beginners, new traders, be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital at the time of news. But before the jobless claims data, you can also see Bank of England interest rate decision also coming up, and this will also be very important. If something happens, okay, if a bad news comes up, if they dumps, then obviously there will be bullishness on US dollar again. Okay, so Bank of England's interest rate decision also very important for today. Okay, because if they sound very soft, then it will obviously bring bullishness on the chart of US dollar index, and that will further push Euro USD, GBP USD to the downside. So both the news will be very important for the day. And if you look at the chart of Euro USD right now, then you can see Euro USD is standing at the support here. Okay, in our previous videos we discussed about the support around 1.0630, and it is standing at the last support here. And you can clearly see that if Euro USD breaks this support, then we don't have any immediate support here. Then the next immediate support on the chart of Euro USD will be around 1.0525, 1.0530, means there is a gap of around 80 to 100 pips. So if Euro USD breaks this support of 1.0630, there may be a free fall on the market for at least 80 to 100 pips. So the jobless claims data as well as the interest rate decision of the Bank of England will be very important for the day. And if you look at the market right now, then technically there is no doubt that this market is in downtrend, and fundamentals are also not helping it at all. So in this market condition, obviously sell on rise or sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. And my dear friends, today if Euro USD tries to recover, then we can look for selling opportunity around the 50 moving average here. On numerous instances, we have seen the 50 moving average acting as dynamic resistance. When the 50 moving average failed, the 100 moving average came into the scene. So we can keep your eyes on both the moving averages. If market tries to recover, you can obviously look for sell around these two areas, 1.06 90 to 1.0700. This is the first level, and then you can look for 100 moving average means 1.0740. Around these two areas, there's a high chance that market will face some serious selling pressure, resistance. If market reverses, you can look for a sell position. Right now you can see that I am on the 4 hours time frame. You can simply switch to hourly time frame, 15 minutes time frame for confirmation, because confirmation on 4 hours time frame will be very slow. So these are the two levels where we can expect the market to face some resistance, and considering the present trend of the market, considering the market sentiment, obviously taking a sell at resistance is the best and safe trading strategy. But as you can see right now, the market looks very weak. Okay, so if market fails to go up, okay, if market fails to go up, then you can also look for some resistance around 1.0677. okay, around 1.0677, around 1.0680. you can see the previous support, the previous minor support also may act as resistance here. And due to the heavy selling pressure, if market reverses from this area also, as a day trader you can look for a quick selling opportunity for at least 20 to 30 pips. But keep in mind, market will be volatile at the time of news, so you need to be careful. Try to close your positions before the news. So the moving averages, yes, they look to be safe, but if market fails to go up, you can also look for sell around this area. Okay, and obviously, okay, after the news, if you see bullishness on dollar, if dollar starts flying again, then obviously there will be pressure on euro USD, and you can go for a sell as well, because technically we don't have any immediate support on the chart of euro USD. So you can look for a sell after the news if you see that US dollar is flying. And let's look at a chart of GBP USD. You can see on GBP USD is in clean downtrend market. There is no doubt about it that if you take a buy position, the chances of market going for reversal is extremely less here, because technically, fundamentally, the market is in downtrend, and following the trend of the market is the safe and wise thing to do right now. You can see market is standing at the last support. Here also the same stuff. If GBP USD breaks the support here, then there will be a free fall, and because we do not have any immediate support here. So after the news, if GBP USD breaks the level and starts falling, you can look for a sell position. Okay, but before the news, taking a sell at the breakdown is little bit risky, because the volatility in the market always shifts. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility, and lower volatility to higher volatility. Yesterday market was very volatile after the FOMC, so today there is a possibility that before the news market may remain silent. In that case, if you take a sell position, there is a high chance of getting trapped, so wait for the news. But before news, if you see market trying to recover, okay, if you see market trying to recover, then you can look for some quick selling opportunity around 1.2350 to 1.2360. Previous support, remember, 1.2350 was support. If you're a lover of GBP USD, I hope you remember the level. Okay, so 1.2350 was support, so this support will be acting as the new resistance, 1.235060. If market reverses during the day before news from this level, you can look for a sell opportunity. On the chart of Euro USD, we saw that moving averages are there acting as dynamic resistance. On the chart of GBP USD also, we do have the moving averages acting as dynamic resistance. But right now you can see the moving averages are far away, and there is no point of discussing about them, because the chances of market going up and reversing from them today is very less. Okay, so after news, try to follow the trend of the market instead of looking for reversals, and before news, try to look for a sell on rise or sell at resistance, because that is the best thing to do right now. And my dear friends, this is GTC Fx. The most common question that I get from all of you is that, do you recommend any broker? Which is the best broker for us? Then yes, today I have an answer for you, because all these years I was not giving a proper answer. I was telling you that you can go for any regulated broker, you can go for any broker with good customer support. But yes, this broker solves all the problem here. Just go to the link in the description. You will see that in my website I have mentioned 5 tips for selecting a Forex broker, and GTC Fx is the broker that solves all the problem. Not only the broker is regulated, but you also get a fund protection. Okay, this is one of the best broker that I have seen in all these years, because there is no slippage at the time of news. Just imagine, there is no slippage, because at the time of news we see that our stop loss do not work, our because of slippage, okay, nothing works. Okay, that problem will be solved, because GTC Fx is really an awesome broker. Okay, you also get 24/7 customer support. There's no commission in the market. It's a regulated broker, so you don't need to worry about your hard-earned money anymore. Your money is safe. Spread is decent. Okay, and as I said, the best part was that there is no slippage at the time of news. And if you open your account under my map, then obviously you don't need to worry about your problems getting resolved, because I have ties with them. Okay, I have made ties with them, so if something happens also, I'll be able to help you out in a personal level. Because in most of the cases, the problem we face is that the broker is far away from our place. It's an offshore broker. If the customer support doesn't respond, then you have no other option. But in this case, you don't need to worry, because the broker, they have an office in Dubai, and actually they have office in 10 plus countries. Okay, but still, as I said, okay, I'll be able to help you out on a personal level if you open your account under my map. And GTC Fx is definitely the best broker right now in my radar, in my opinion. And if you're looking for a good broker with proper deposit and withdrawal methods, then obviously you can go for it. Okay, so bye bye, take care.